Hello, everybody. Once again, it's your science teacher, Mr. Dairyman, and I hope you find it a little weird that I am teaching up in the front of the room and also speaking with you on your microphone or your headphones here in the independent station. Before I get started with how to do the Getting to Know Elements assignment, I want to give a huge shout out to Nick Anderson, who made it known to me that I can take my recording box and minimize it so that it's out of our sight. How cool. Thank you, Nick. I just did it. I'm successful. You have a worksheet in front of you called Getting to Know Elements, and it's what we do to try to practice filling in the different numbers of protons, neutrons, and figuring out where the electron arrangement is. You can see on this worksheet that I've given you the symbols, some numbers that are the atomic number and the atomic mass, and I'm expecting you to fill in these other boxes of protons, neutrons, and so forth. Down here with sulfur, it'll be up to you to get the symbol, the atomic number, the mass, figure the number of protons and neutrons, and write down the electron arrangement. You should use the examples to help you in each of these sections. Let's shoot over now to the useful periodic table. This is the one that you've downloaded or the one also that's at ptable.com. And if we take note, I'm going to get my marker going here. If we take note, let's choose the box of iron right here. It's not working. See if I can't get that ink to play for me. Might not work. Nope. Alright, we're going to start with iron. I'll just use my clicker. Iron, or Fe, is located right here on the periodic table. Fe is the symbol. So if I was looking for the symbol, I would use the F and the E. The atomic number is on the top left corner, and that would be 26. And if you remember in our talks last time through, the atomic number is the number of protons. These numbers right here on the top right hand corner, 2, 8, 14, and 2, that is our electron arrangement. And we can just simply write those numbers in succession down on the electron arrangement. The number at the bottom is our atomic mass, and in this case, it's 55.845. Folks, when it comes to the atomic mass, we want to round it. You round to the nearest tenth. So this atomic mass for iron, 55.8, would round up to 56 for the atomic mass. So we have the atomic number, atomic mass, electron arrangement. Let's go back to our worksheet. In the first one, we have beryllium going across the top, Be, chemical symbol, that's easy. The atomic number is 4, which means there would be 4 protons. The atomic number is equal to the number of protons in that atom. Atomic number equal to the number of protons. That's the same for every atom. So that means magnesium, it's 12 on the periodic table. It would have 12 protons. It's the easiest column on the whole thing. Aluminum, 13. You copy the number. Chromium, 24 here, 24 here. I hope that's very simple for you. Now, the neutrons is a little bit trickier. We already wrote how to do it in our notes. You could look at page 2 of our notes, I believe, tells you how to get the number of neutrons. Very simple. We're going to take the atomic mass, and that's going to be rounded. Okay, so we've probably rounded to get 9, and we're simply going to subtract the atomic number. 9 minus 4 gives us 5 neutrons. Atomic mass minus the atomic number. In magnesium, think to yourself, what's 24 minus 12? Well, I can do that. 12. So 12 neutrons in the nucleus with the protons. which would be atomic mass of 24. I hope that makes sense. 12 plus 12 equals 24 in the nucleus. One more time. Aluminum, atomic mass 27 minus 13. Do I need a calculator? No. 14 neutrons. Okay? Let's do the electron arrangement. Very, very simple. We want the electron arrangement for beryllium, so we're going to go look at our periodic table. And up in the top right corner here of beryllium, top right corner, it says 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. How do I write that? Electron arrangement. 2 electrons in the first energy level, comma, 2 in the second. That means there would be a total of 4 electrons in beryllium, with 2 being in the first energy level and 2 being in the second. Let's check out magnesium now. Back to your periodic table. Magnesium is number 12, and I think I see 2, 8, 2. 2 in the first energy level, 8 in the second, and 2 in the last. Back to our worksheet. 2, comma, 8 electrons in the second, and this has 3 energy levels, and there's 2 in the last one. If I were to ask you how many total electrons are in magnesium, 2 plus 8, 12. So far, we've calculated all of the parts of the atom. I'm not going to get that phone call right now. I should, but I'm not. Oh, well, hold on. Hello. I'm recording a video right now, and fate has brought you into it. Hi, Miss Angelone. Can I call you back sometime? All right, say hi to everybody.
Hi, everyone.
All right. Bye-bye now. All right, I forget where I was now. What was I saying? Oh, we found the number of electrons. We found the number of neutrons. We found the number of protons. My goal for you is to fill in this chart. So you need to get started. There's a lot of stuff to do. Basically use your chart, copy down the symbols, copy down the atomic number, round for the atomic mass, subtract to get the number of, actually you just copy the atomic number, remember that? You copy here, and then you subtract to get this number. It would be 103 minus 45, and the answer goes here. And I think you know how to get this number. It's pretty simple. I'm going to stop talking, and you're going to get started. This is Mr. Dairyman with something to think about. Make it a great, that's the announcements, never mind. Bye-bye. Thanks, Nick.